सिम्पटम्स ऑफ मेंटल इल हेल्थ, मानसिक आजाराने ग्रस्त असण्याची लक्षणे. नंबर 1, एक्सेसिव्ह यूज ऑफ सेल फोन इज द सिम्पटम ऑफ मेंटल इल हेल्थ. नंबर 2, the person who constantly takes selfies as they are not aware about their surroundings and sometimes risk makes them victims. The mental illness is called as selficide. Hence we observe the death by drawing in ocean, falling in deep valleys, etc. while taking the selfies. Number 3, changing the social and family situations, competitions, etc. It leads to mental stress which may causes domestic violence. The stress leads to situations that we observe in the video clips like parent threatening or hitting the children, domestic helpers beating the children, etc. Mentally ill persons needs sympathy from others. Hence, they do some activities like sending suicide clips of suicidal act, making video clip of accident instead of helping the victim. Spending lot of time on TV, computer, cell phone, etc. is the sign of mental stress. Hence, the constructive use of communication media and internet for essential needs and entertainment only. But do not go into the clutches ahari jane by spending hours with those media. Mostly, mental stress and excessive use of social media may lead to making the cyber crime, and it is the sign of mental ill health. Cyber crime, criminal activities carried out by computer and internet is nothing but the cyber crime. The cheating persons ask you for bank details, Aadhaar number, PAN number, etc. and they use for these numbers for stolen the money. It is the cyber crime. And therefore no personal information should be shared on the cell phone. If PIN of any debit or credit card is known to stranger, he can make fraud transaction, and therefore do not disclose your PIN to anyone. In online purchase, many times consumers are cheated by giving inferior quality of material, निकृष्ट दर्जाच्या वस्तू, or impaired ones, चुकीच्या वस्तू. It is the cyber crime. Hacking of information is done by some programmers. It includes confidential information about government institutes, companies, etc. It is obtained from internet with the help of computer programs, which is the cyber crime. By making fake Facebook account, wrong information, harassing the girls or financial exploiting, आर्थिक शोषण is the cyber crime. In internet piracy, चोरणे of written literature, software photos, video, music of other person and are misused or illegally used is also a cyber crime. Misuse of electronic media by sending derogatory messages, बदनामीकारक संदेश, spreading vulgar pictures, अश्लील चित्रे पाठवणे, and provocative statements, प्रक्षोभक विधाने, is also cyber crime. Hence, it is necessary to use media like email, Facebook, WhatsApp very carefully. The department that collects the details and investigate the cyber crime with the help of internet is called cyber crime unit. The department is under the police department. IT Act, Information and Technology Act, is applied since from 2000 year, and been embedded सुधारणा केल्या गेल्या in 2008. Cyber criminal get imprisonment कैद for 3 years or fine up to 5 lakh as a punishment. 3 वर्ष कैद आणि 5 लाख दंड अशी शिक्षा होऊ शकते. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेट टू स्टार्ट सायबर क्राईम युनिट फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द सायबर क्राईम. In order to avoid effect of ill health and cybercrime, it is necessary to manage our stress. Stress management. There are different ways to manage the stress. For example, laughter club. People gather together and relieve their mental stress by laughing loudly. It releases the stress. Communicating with all peoples, our parents, also relieves the stress. Expressing our feelings with near and dear ones is necessary to get relief from the stress. Hobbies like collecting curious नाणी संग्रह, photography, reading, cooking, sculpturing शिल्पकला, drawing, dancing, all these hobbies also relieves our stress. Diverting the energy and mind towards positive thing is also important. Learning or listening music, singing, etc. reduces the stress. Physical and outdoor games, exercise, etc. improves discipline, interaction and tendency of unity in our life. Yoga, meditation, ध्यानधारणा, deep breathing, दीर्घ श्वसन, yogic sleep, योग निद्रा are relieves stress. Meditation helps to improve the concentration. Massaging, visiting the spa also helps to relieve the stress. Balanced and good food, संतुलित व सात्विक आहार also helps to relieve the stress. Enjoying the nature, gardening, bird watching, lingering in nature, rearing a pet, प्राणी पाळणे also relieves our stress. Effect of mental stress. If the stress is not managed properly, it leads to depression and frustration. औदासीन्य आणि नैराश्य येऊ शकतं. And for that, treatment is necessary. The treatment is medical guidance and help from experts, counseling, समुपदेशन, psychotherapy, मानसोपचार, help from non-government organization, that is NGOs. Some institutions helps us for the treatment for the mental stress, for counseling, psychotherapy, and the workers are from non-government organizations. The institutions that provide the help are, for example, Unified Movement Against Tobacco. This movement has been started by 45 different organizations like WHO and Tata Trust. It is active for controlling tobacco consumption and guidance to activists against the tobacco. Salam Mumbai Foundation is the another institution in which the NGO gives opportunities of education, sport, art, business, etc. for the children from slum area. Different government schemes are also there. Helplines for the children in distress or facing any problems. It gives guidelines and proper help. Counseling and cessation centers, Vyasanamukti Kendra. These are the government schemes which are useful to different peoples to manage their stress.